From the deepest recesses of time, a singular truth echoes across the cosmos, a truth so profound it has the power to shatter illusions and unveil the very fabric of existence. It is the understanding that what we perceive as separate is, in its essence, indivisible. This is the ultimate paradox, the sublime secret whispered by the greatest of mystics. Welcome, seeker of profound knowledge, to a journey into the heart of reality itself, guided by the luminous intellect of the Sheikh al-Akbar, the greatest master, Muhyiddin Ibn Arabi. Today, we shall unlock his hidden key to reality, the revolutionary yet often misunderstood concept of Wahdat al-Wujud, the unity of existence. Ibn Arabi, born in Murcia in Andalusia in the 12th century, was a spiritual giant whose life was a tapestry woven with mystical visions, extensive travels, and an insatiable thirst for divine knowledge. He was not merely a scholar, he was a Gnostic, a master of unveiling, whose insights transcended conventional theology and philosophy. His colossal body of work, particularly his monumental Fusus al-Hikam and al-Futuhat al-Makkiyah, has shaped Islamic thought for centuries, inspiring countless Sufi masters, poets, and philosophers, while simultaneously provoking intense debate and profound reverence. At the core of Ibn Arabi's spiritual architecture lies Wahdat al-Wujud. To grasp this concept is to embark on a voyage beyond the limitations of dualistic perception. For many, reality is defined by clear distinctions: creator and creation, God and world, spirit and matter. We inhabit a universe seemingly composed of myriad distinct entities. Yet Ibn Arabi, through his profound spiritual unveiling, declared that, fundamentally, there is but one existence. All that exists, every atom, every galaxy, every thought, every being, is a manifestation of this one ultimate reality, which is God. This is not a simplistic pantheism, a notion that God is everything in a merely material sense. Rather, it is an affirmation that nothing truly exists apart from God. The existence of all things is not independent, but contingent upon, and indeed is the very manifestation of the one absolute being. Imagine a vast ocean. The waves, the foam, the currents, they all appear as distinct phenomena, yet their existence is inseparable from the ocean itself. Without the ocean, there are no waves. The waves are the ocean, manifested in a particular form. In the same way, the cosmos and all that within it are but the waves of the divine ocean of existence. Ibn Arabi's genius was in articulating the intricate dance between the absolute, transcendent God, the Al-Haq, the truth, and the manifest, immanent God, the Al-Khalq, the creation. He taught that God, in his absolute oneness, desired to be known. And to be known, he manifested himself through his divine names, or Asma'ul Husna. Each divine name, such as the All-Merciful, Ar-Rahman, the All-Just, Al-Adl, the Creator, Al-Khaliq, or the Living, Al-Hayy, is not a separate entity, but a facet, an attribute of the one divine essence. These names are latent in the divine before creation, and it is through their self-manifestation that the cosmos comes into being. Consider the analogy of a mirror. God is the unseen essence, and the universe is the polished mirror. In this mirror, God beholds his own names and attributes. The beauty you see, the power you experience, the knowledge you acquire, these are all reflections of the divine names. The existence of the mirror's image is entirely dependent on the presence of the original. The image has no independent existence.
yet the image is distinct from the original. This leads us to the heart of Ibn Arabi's paradox: all is he, and all is not he. All is he affirms that ultimately there is only one true existent, God. Everything else is his manifestation. All is not he acknowledges the phenomenal distinction, the apparent otherness of creation from the Creator. A tree is a manifestation of God embodying many divine names like the Provider, Ar-Razzaq, and the Giver of Life, Al-Muhyi. But the tree is not God in his absolute unmanifested essence. The wave is the ocean, yet the wave is not the entire ocean. This subtle yet crucial distinction protects against anthropomorphizing God or reducing him to his creation, while simultaneously affirming his omnipresent reality within and as all things. The implications of Wahdat al-Wujud are profound and far-reaching, particularly for understanding the human being. For Ibn Arabi, humanity, and specifically al-insan al-kamil, the perfect man, is the most complete and comprehensive manifestation of the divine names. The perfect man, exemplified by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a microcosm of the macrocosm, a mirror that perfectly reflects all of God's names and attributes. Within each human soul lies the potential to realize this divine inheritance, to become a conscious reflection of the One. This understanding transforms our perception of ourselves and others. If all existence is fundamentally one, emanating from the divine, then there is no true other. The perceived separation is an illusion, a veil over the unity. This realization fosters immense compassion, as harm inflicted upon another is in essence harm inflicted upon a manifestation of the One. It dissolves the illusion of ego-driven separateness and fosters a deep sense of interconnectedness with all of creation. In a world fragmented by division, misunderstanding and conflict, Ibn Arabi's vision of Wahdat al-Wujud offers a powerful antidote. It invites us to transcend the superficiality of appearances and to perceive the deeper unifying reality. It calls us to awaken to the divine presence in every moment, in every breath, in every form. The hidden key to reality is not an external object to be found, but an internal shift in consciousness, a profound realization that the self is not separate from the ultimate self, and that the universe is not separate from its creator. This does not negate the individual's journey or moral responsibility. On the contrary, it elevates it. When one realizes that their very existence is a manifestation of the divine, every action, every intention, every thought takes on cosmic significance. The journey of self-perfection becomes the journey of reflecting the divine names with increasing clarity and beauty. In essence, Ibn Arabi reveals that the quest for God is not a journey to a distant deity, but a journey of self-discovery, of recognizing the divine essence that permeates and constitutes all. It is the realization that the cosmos is a living, breathing testament to the One, and that within your own heart lies the most perfect mirror of that unity. So, seeker, reflect deeply on these truths. Allow the concept of Wahdat al-Wujud to permeate your understanding. See beyond the veil of multiplicity and glimpse the singular, luminous reality that underlies all. For in this profound unveiling, you discover not only the hidden key to reality, but the hidden key to your own divine potential. If you have been moved by this exploration, if the resonance of these ancient truths sparks a flame within your soul, then I urge you to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue to delve into the profound teachings of the greatest mystics, unlocking secrets that transform perception and illuminate the path to spiritual awakening. May your journey be blessed with profound insight and unwavering illumination. Until next time, may peace be upon you.